In the previous module, we discussed the value of silver and investment techniques for silver. Now let's move on to gold. Gold has been widely used since before the existence of paper money or fiat money. Research shows us that its usage was detected for over 3,000 years, but how can it retain its appreciated value? Well, its characteristics are what makes gold gold. It's simply beautiful, it's ductile, it's highly scarce, and it's extremely durable. Therefore, unlike paper currency, coins, or other assets, gold has maintained its value through time. People perceive gold as a way to preserve their wealth from one generation to the next. So why should you invest in gold? First off, the weakness of the US dollar. Although the US dollar is one of the world's most reserved world currencies, when the currency's value dropped against other currencies, both in 98 and in 2008, this resulted in more investments in gold, which raised the price. The price of gold nearly tripled during the years of currency downturn, reaching around $1,000 per ounce. Meanwhile, from 2008 to 2012, the price of gold escalated to almost $1,800 or $1,900 per ounce. So there's an increase in demand as well. In previous years, increased wealth of emerging markets boosted the demand of gold. In some countries, gold plays a significant part in culture. For example, in India, where the wedding season in October is traditionally the time of year where there will be the highest demand for gold. Meanwhile, in China, gold bars are a traditional form of saving, where the demand of gold has been steadfast. Investment-wise, many individuals are beginning to see gold as a commodity, as an investment class into which funds should be allocated. Gold should be an important part of a diversified investment portfolio, as its price generally increases in response to events that cause the value of paper investments, such as stocks and bonds, to decline. Although the price of gold can be volatile in the short term, it has consistently maintained its value over the long term. Throughout the years, it has served fairly as a means to hedge inflation, as well as the erosion of major currencies, making it an investment worth considering.